with the Wise family. Spending all day. Deep fried turkey day. My brother got moves. Good to hear. Good to hear. Looking for this UMAC out of the open here. Me gapping up.
I love the tree. We are saying it again.
Damn, how do I get filled at 55? Fuck. I put in 11.95, not 10.95, and I missed $1,000 because of it. This is why I hate limit orders, man. I fumble. I dick it up every time. Okay, good start. A little more choppy than I would have liked, but yeah, I'll take it, right? I'm really shocked we couldn't hold 11. IDAI penny player from Friday moving as well. week there. Maybe on a 1 minute. This is a 1 minute. Better go. This is weak. That's horseshit. It was at 95, but okay. Okay, I'll try it a couple times. It's a 1 minute fail. Let it pull back. We've got now a level, play off of 11. If it dips and rips, I'm here for it. PRZO. Interesting. I tried to get in, but E-Trace said, it looks like your order was a mistake. Nope, it wasn't. Thanks for making me lose $500. Ooh, big buyer there. PRZO is at $1. Oh my gosh, E-Tard, I freaking hate you so much. I was trying to get in at 70 cents or 75 cents. Okay. Yeah, there's some chat rooms playing this, JJ. Do you look at seconds chart and I'll switch it to like a 15 or 10 seconds sometimes, yeah. Like when PRZO looks like this, right? Well, there might be no 1 minute pullback for a while, right? So straight up. So if I'm waiting for 1 minute pullback, I might be waiting for a while. If I switch it to a 15-second chart, I can get 15-second pullbacks and play that. It's playable. Now I have to be much faster, and I don't like doing it pre-market because I have to use limit orders, and I'm typing this shit in, and you know, with these 15-second charts or 10-second charts, it can go like cock and drop on you quick. So I will switch it down, or if there's consolidation like there was here on UMAC, and I can kind of get maybe a head start on a break. Nope. All right, PRZO. Chill for a second. Preferably, you know, I use a 30-second chart, but sometimes I gotta go lower. I wasn't in it when they were in it. Man, DXYZ looks decent today. Why do you need to do limit orders? You have to do limit orders pre-market. There are no market orders. And I only use market orders during market hours, typically. PRZO, I missed it. Yeah, I typically only use market orders. It's just faster. I really want a cuck here. Because this cock failed, so I'm not going to play this one unless we get a cuck fail. Go break 30. SLK. Okay. Ooh, that's rough. Damn. It's a big flush there. My coffee. Oh, gonna go for it. Damn, look at that volume, dude. Damn. Morning, morning. What happened to my freaking chart? No. Oh, okay. There it is. Yeah, I'm just looking at that actually. The 4 hour, we got a little 2 pointer descending resistance that you're coming into, so we'll see if that holds up or not. You are extended on the Stokes. Don't know where this line is. What that is. So we'll see. Daily W. Nope, no, it's not. That would be the W up there. Very nice 90 MA supporting as you break maybe a potential trend line. Look at the this trend line here on the Stokes. Boom, boom, boom. I marked this Friday, I think it was. Whatever day this was, the 20 Tuesday. So we'll see. It has potential. I'd be down for a Friday 100K break, you know. Black Friday special. Speaking of, I need to buy some stuff here while we're waiting for the next mover. Got some stuff I need to buy for my computer. Well, right now I'm going to buy a hard drive. Hang on, UMAC 5 minute. I don't know if it'll go or not. PRZO is making maybe a W. I got the cans out. I'm the man. The cans. 2 inches. I don't know what you're talking about. What's the cans? What does that mean? Are the garbage cans out? Oh, the garbage cans in 2 inches of snow. Oh shit, I probably need to do my garbage too. $30? How the freaking I don't like this. It's trying somehow. Eh. I don't like this. It's like grinding here. ERZO 14. That's a tight 5 minute. Well, that's a big candlestick there on UMAC. Maybe at over 40. It wicked way down to like 11. That MACD's got a cross. There it goes. My fails are just getting pure trash. Eh. NFTs? No. I mean, like, the tried and true ones are up some for sure, but most are worthless. Although I got rid of most of the ones that are worthless. Ape 2? No, they're up. They're the Bored Apes floor is back over 50,000. UMAC's trying. That broke 1151. All right, PRZO, make or break. What are you gonna do here, bud? Is ETH up? I haven't. Yeah, it was like 3,500, right? Damn. 5 minute on this sucker is pretty tight. Tell you what, XRP, I missed that one, man. I didn't even think about that early on. And then I'm like, oh, surely it'll pull back. Surely it's not going to juice that much. Nope. That's the mover this time around, and it probably will be because it missed all of last year or last bull run, I should say, 4 years ago, whatever. It makes sense for it to juice, especially with Gensler freaking getting his ass kicked to the curb. There it is. Freaking. I'm not getting filled. Oh, now it goes as I exit the rest. A. Is it no longer going with Bitcoin? Yeah, I don't think it went hand in hand with Bitcoin last time. It usually goes with the alts, right? I can't remember. I honestly don't remember. So if we're gonna run into this candle over candle over candle, I could switch this to like a 15-second chart to see if I can get any kind of, like, there was a 15-second cuck here down to 1185 that didn't do anything. So it gives me an idea that maybe the next try at 12, which happened here, didn't really do anything. But if we get another one that fails, then maybe I take it. Or maybe take it anyway. Might do it. I don't know. We'll see. There's a lot of buyers here at 90. There they go. Oh, yes, it did. Somehow it broke, but didn't go. There it is. Typing this shit out is so slow. Big seller. Come on. It's got to break this 35. Two. Nope. All right. 1235 break might do it. This big ass seller would leave. I didn't mean to push the buy button. I wasn't on it. I was on accident. Don't cock. I'll let the re-enter 12:35. 1 minute cock. Yeah. Let's see if this 12 holds up. PRZO 5 minute. Let's pull back a good bit, but it's maybe worth a try. One minute cock here on UMAX setting up about 5 seconds. It's over 15. Son of a gun, I'm too slow. Gosh. All right. It is limit orders. I have to use limit orders. It's pre-market. Well, I have. It's got to be an early day anyway for me because I got somebody coming over to do some work at the house, and he's a talker, so I gotta go and say hey. So hopefully we make some bank early on here. UMAC 15-second cock potential there. Wow. Wow. It hasn't really gotten outside of the Bollinger Bands on any of these pushes, so it'll be interesting to see if it can pull away here. Or is it just kind of like a pop and then pull back in? Here's the 05 minute. EO7. Don't like the... I don't like the 1 minute here. UMAC, give us a pullback before you go, bud. There's a 15-second cock on UMAC. This is where that comes in handy. So maybe breaking 97 for an attempt. Now the 15-second is breaking 93. I might go 1 minute cock now. We'll see. Yeah, that was the 15-second, didn't go. Still has a shot, but I'm gonna take it off. Now you're getting into 1 minute cooks. Yep. Pierzio. Another tight 5 minute to play off of. Devs, is that moving? Oh yeah. Over the 999. Hmm. Okay. I've been watching this one for weeks, it feels like. Oh, okay. Said nice things about you, and you're gonna do that to me. There's like some hidden buyers going on here. We'll see. 110. If this breaks, it might go. There's a hidden buyer at 108 for some reason. Watch for any green to hit the tape. Right now it's just red. Well, this is always red on E-Turd in pre-market, but on my time in sales, it's just hitting the bid right now. It's not even budging. No. The hit 15. Eh. It's still like it's still all red volume. Oh, sorry. Can't see. It's still, this is my time in sales. It's still all red volume on this thing for the most part, and it's not budging at all. Like that's a lot of volume, and that's a lot of hidden buying. So anytime I see this flip to green in a big way, not these little just dinky dinks, like this is plenty of shares to break this at bid, but it's not. So that tells me this is full of hidden buyers. And that, see how I hit that green hard? That ask tells me it's going to push. See, there's like a 1 minute on UMAC. Maybe. It's pulled back quite a bit. And this is like into a, too long of a pullback. Put this devs up here. This is moving good. Devs. See, it gives us any kind of pullback. There's a pullback. And now you got your MACD cross to the downside. That's a shame. 7:45. We might get some 7:45 news here. We'll see. And no, it did not. Do you activate Benzinga Squawk? I don't know what you mean. You buy it and then you turn it on, yeah. So here, hang on, I'll show you. If you have the package, this is Benzinga, right? So if you have the package that gives you the Squawk, it's up here. This little button here, you click it, and then you just click these buttons to turn it on. So right now it says stop because I just stopped it. Click it once. This is the high beta Squawk, so you turn them both on, and now they're ready to go. He's talking right now, or he's about to. That's the devs. The company what, Chuck? Oh, so it's a all assets. International Renewable Certificate? What the hell does that mean? UMAC with a potential cuck and go. Has to break over 70. Devs is trying. Damn. Okay. Back to this guy. Big buyer there at 56. I do not like the MACD here. Maybe over like 65. It's a 1 minute. It needs to go. If not, it's gonna dump. It's gonna dump. Yep. Devs is juicing, man. Jeez. Another big buyer. What the hell? Oof. Jeez. Devs building another one. 30-second maybe. This MACD's got to flip. Do you have unusual option activity with Pinzer? I don't know what that is. They think they just call that out on the Squawk sometimes. They used to have a separate option Squawk, but they don't. They've combined it with the other two, I think. Devs still going. That's the play right now. Why is my chart dicked? Hello, charts. There we go. MSTR Daily Cock. Gonna do it? UMAC did a 5-minute cock. It didn't do anything, so 5-minute cock is on the table. Even though I hate it. MACD, that needs to flip up. Devs, pull back a hair. It's a cock. Dev's gonna try again. Oof. No. Go back to my UMAC. It's a cock, huh? Sure, 50 dump again. Pure zero garbage. Devs. Another 1 minute pullback. All right. 65 break. Maybe. I don't like this MACD, so I feel like you can get a pop and then just flush on you. This looks horrible. You do have the fact that the 5-minute cuck did nothing. It's a 65 break. Oh, like 65. Devs has a 1 minute, but it's pulled back a little too long. E6 starting to move. Oh, there's devs. Didn't matter. 1 minute did it. There's the 5 minute. Now 75 needs a break. Broke. It's a good 5 minute. I don't know how that's not. You know how much this is driving me nuts right now? Crap. Whoa. What's going on with Roblox? Wait, no, this is Rocket Lab. That was Roblox. Oh, whoa. Oh, okay, 8 o'clock. All right. Any 8 o'clock news and push me over the edge here. Zena. Whoa. Is there news? Swin. I'm taking a shot here. I don't know if we can go or not. Nah. Back to the lows of the day. Oh, yeah, I'm good at hitting the ones that pop up and then drop back 100%. I'm good at that. Okay. PR0 5-minute, yeah. VSig is a 440 level. 450. Or is that 445? Broke it. 60. All right, got another player here. Jeez. Good God. $88. Oh. That was a 15-second cock. Failed. Well, we tasted glory for a second. Now you're into like a bigger pullback. Ugh. It breaks 77 now. Five. Nope. All right. Well, we were close for a second. I touched it before Bitcoin. Was that close? What's the news on this thing? Agreement. Okay. Come on, stick a landing, man. UMAC. It's a 5-minute cock. It's like the weirdest break here. There goes Silo. Basic 1 minute is 65, 465. That's some horse shit. How did I get filled? UMAC. Day. Silo's juicing now that I'm out. Ace, I jump. Silo 133 now. Jeez. Oh, big seller, you piece of shit. Oh, it don't matter. That freaking fell! The 5 minute. Come on, man! This is beyond cruel. $95. Suck a dick. Just
Let's go get that 100K little puss.
do you understand how if I left my order up there I would have felt okay. What is it? $30? What do I need? Well, it was $30. Now 1 minute cuck. It is a 100K curse now. It is official 100K curse. UMax Jason. At least it's a flat top. UMac at 14. Oh my gosh. This is a very much failed 5 minute here. I mean, this looks disgusting. The only hope it has is of 1 minute. UMac looks good. It should be over there. Okay. All right, I'm out of this. Suck a dick. Try again. Something else. Big Sig gonna go now? It's like 72 break, maybe. It's a nasty 5. I don't like that, but we'll see. Sure, 1 minute. Mm-hmm. It broke it. Broke it by like a couple pennies here. Oh, gotta exit. Fucking cursed, man! Look at that. Broke it by a couple pennies. All right. Yeah, VSig. That's not the greatest 5 minute right now. It's pretty horrible, actually. W over 85. Disregard. MACD crossing down would be bad. Hasbro media circulations regarding Musk. Yikes, that's ugly. Damn. Anybody buying this? If I had balls, I would. For pop back through 13. PRZO, cuck and go. $94. Might do some. BS, okay. Okay. This can go 5. It really needs to break $1. Yeah. Nope. Yep. Wow. Nope. Let's try and there it goes. $98, $92, $99. Okay. Turn my heat up. It's freezing in here. See if we get any 830 news. Some fresh. Fresh and so clean, clean. Devs, 5 minute. Same idea. they're moving like it was, huh? Taking it all off, running that Bollinger Band. Okay. Wow. Keep an eye on that one. UMAC 5 minute. I don't know. Pull back a good bit there. It's right into it there. Into the Bollinger Band. Dude, this piece of shit. I'll look in a second. Salt Life. I'm too busy being pissed off. $79. Needs to break that 80. That is a long time coming, man. I beat Bitcoin. I beat Bitcoin. This feels better than making $1 million when I got $1 million because of how shitty last year was. What is going on here, boys? there's some news on this, dude. This thing is taking a nosedive. What? The ASIC looks good. Yeah, I had a feeling it was going to break 5 there and juice a little bit, but honestly, could care less. Wow, man. Hmm. What is this? I don't know. There's some news on this, and it's maybe their auditor backed out or something. I don't know. Yeah, it's been a rough. Well, last year was real rough. I don't. What did I make? $20,000 last year? 30,000? I can't remember. It was ass. Whatever it was. It was my worst profitable year in my trading career. It was worse than my first profitable year. Like I think in my first profitable year, I made like 35 or 50K. I can't remember. But damn, last year kicked me in the nuts, man. To work all year long for like less than minimum wage. Well, E-Trade showing 17,000 now last year, which can't be right. If that's correct, oh my gosh. I haven't done my taxes for last year yet, but I'm pretty sure it was over 30. I have to look at the forms. But if it was $16,906 to go from that, I mean, my damn fees and commissions were over. I don't think this is right, but going to 97K. What did I do in 2022? $142. So go to 142,000 in 2022 to 16K in 2023. Like, tell me that's not a shitty year. 70. Oh yeah, the fees. Well, this I did a lot more options in 2022. That's why the fees are high. A lot. Like I was hitting it hard. I can't show you my fees and commissions in 2021 when I made 1.3 million, but it was over 150,000. Like that was easily double this. I can't remember what it was, but it was a lot. It only goes to 2022. I don't know what custom. Can I go back further if I do custom? Of course, they're not gonna make this easy. Gotta click month by month to go backwards. Freaking E-turd. It'll go to October 2021. No, I can't even click those. Yeah, I could do just the month of December. See what the month of December was. Oh. Come on. Yeah, 140,000 is after fees. So look at my. This is my December in 2021. I won't let me go back any further. That was my December. What a different kind of year. I had minus 63,000 in December and still made $1.3 million. Oh man, some of those months are crazy. I wish I could see what they were. Last year was rough. It was my first full year of real money trading as well. I think actually helped. Dude, if you survive, that's what I was telling everybody. If you remember last year's end of the year speech, if you were profitable during that year, you've made it, because that was some of the hardest trading I've ever endured. For my style, anyway. I had never seen so many false moves that you just couldn't predict. It was disgusting. Oh, man. So, while I'm thinking about it, a reminder, take advantage of TradingView's Black Friday sale. Here, exclamation point, Black Friday. There's 3 of them there. TradingView, Trade Exchange, and Benzinga. TradingView's ends today, so take advantage of it. It's 70% off. It's their best one that they do every year. I'm re-upping. They got 18 hours left on that. Yeah, it's like you have to. If you're into TradingView charts and you like them, just every year re-up on Black Friday special. Yeah, Shred finally got there, man. Click that link. Go get you some TradingView 70% off. Trade Exchange is really nice as well. $350 for the entire for 14 months basically. What does that come out to monthly? 350 divided by 14. That's $25 a month. That is stupid cheap. And we saw, and I don't use their Squawk, I haven't used it in a very long time, but I turned it on Friday, and it led me to a banger. Like, he was beating Beta Chuck on some of those. So I'm gonna, late in the day, after the first hour, I'm gonna throw Trade Exchange Squawk on, just to have that third news set. I have both on all day. Do you? Is it too much in the first hour, or even pre-market at the 30-minute news things? I was actually kind of shocked of how good it was. Really, you get used to it. He says less. Okay. Are you planning to size up your trading volume option play, or will you stick at the current strategy? No, we'll continue to size. We'll get to a point though that I won't be able to use E-Trade if I do want to scale. Because 2,000, I mean, I can click it 3 times, but I'd rather freaking click it once. So we'll see. And maybe they fixed it on Power E Trade, but that's not ready yet, so I don't know. I don't think I'm ready to scale yet. I mean, 4,000 shares is still a lot of shares. The year of change. Piers, yeah, yep. It was a nice cut and go 5 minute with the W on the 5. I tell you what, I saw over the weekend, and this is like not the first time we've heard it, but you keep hearing rumblings of the Trump administration saying that they will take off capital gains on crypto. I don't believe it really, because a lot of times, any politician, you saw with the Biden administration when he said he was going to flood the Supreme Court with judges, they entertain it to some extent because they promised it during the campaign run. But when in reality it's just like, it's not feasible. So they have to like play like they tried and then just like do away with it later on. So, Biden did the whole, we'll investigate the ramifications of that. And it was like a freaking 6-month long study. And then you heard about it for a day and then it disappeared because no one really wants to do that. Trump might have to do the same thing with the crypto bros, right? He went full on crypto nuclear, saying everything about, we're going to get rid of capital gains on crypto, Bitcoin reserve, blah, blah, blah. Is it feasible? I don't know. I have my doubts. But does he have to entertain it so he doesn't look like a straight liar on day one? Probably. So I don't know how much of it is trying to appease his base to show that he tried, give it the good college try. But if, in the fat chance that it happens, no capital gains on crypto, do you understand what crypto is going to do? Do you understand what I'm going to do? Do you understand what the stock market might do? Like how much money, instead of, people having 10% in crypto, which not everybody does, but maybe the big boys, right? How much money is going to come out and go to crypto because there's no tax? Especially the big boys, right? Say you're a big boy. I guess capital gains for your long-term stuff is 20%, but say you're short-term and it's 50% because you make so much damn money. I'm just rounding up. You got your 39% federal and maybe some taxes if you live in California. You get dicked pretty hard. 50% gone. Well, that basically, if you think of it like, oh, maybe I go play crypto because there's no taxes over there. And I'm basically assuring myself if I could do better than losing 50% of my gains, we Gucci. Go to Dubai. Yeah, well, over here there's no tax on holding it for a year, but short term is normal. Where's over here, Phoenix? Nah, that's right, Soils. Is there, if there was a Bitcoin crash, how do you think it would go? I mean, we've seen multiple ones in the past. They probably go like those. And the land of the Browers. I mean, golly. Uh, I would be playing crypto quite often. All my swings would be over in crypto for sure. Puerto Rico would go bankrupt because all the crypto bros moved to Puerto Rico to save on taxes, and now there'd be no incentive for them to live there. They'd be like, peace out. So that's a big if. We'll see. I wonder if they would make it for businesses too. No tax. What if businesses were like, what if MSTR? What if MSTR was like, thank you, I can sell all this tax free? Are you kidding me? Yeah, the Paul brothers, yeah. You mentioned Gavitate. Can you imagine? Can you imagine Coinbase? That's the play. If that happens, Coinbase. Just putting my putting them and everything in there. So that's a fat chance that happens. I don't even know who would be in charge of making that decision. But hot damn. If that doesn't get me a semi, just thinking about it, which means it's too good to be true. It won't happen. Freaking politicians take all the fun away from everything. That was a nice girl. Anyway, back to the Black Friday. Take advantage of those deals. They are fantastic deals. In fact, I thought I already did the trading view, but I did not. So I am upping it right now. For UMAC going for it. I think your emoji thing is broken. What emoji thing? Thanks, Undertaker. There was a bit of a curse there for a little bit, but we got through it. This is going to be short-lived because I'm going to take a shit ton of money out of it to pay the credit card bill for all the things I'm buying. But hey, we got there. Across the screen, the emojis aren't showing up. That's about. All right, try it now. There they go. That's hilarious, Soils. Is all the emojis working or no? Doesn't seem like all of them are working. There it goes. Yeah, they're working. So, you control V'd failed, you dipshit. You literally typed V more than you did the emoji. Oh, that's funny. Okay. Tractor talk. I'm really disappointed. I wanted to go to Lowe's for Black Fridays because I have all Flex tools. And I was hoping for some Flex discounts. Oh, guess what? Helene said, no, bitch. We're going to flood that joker. Put it 10 feet underwater. And then the next Lowe's is like 2 hours from me. Well, maybe not that far. Professor Snape? Who? Is that like a Harry Potter reference? Professor Snape? Is that the... Oh my gosh. Okay, ban yourself, please. Son of a bitch. APR. XHG. Regain NASDAQ compliance. We've seen these juice recently. you got here, Soils? $99. I did not see this, and I looked yesterday. The batteries that come with them aren't the greatest. You really want the freaking double stack, but damn, for the drills for $100, you can't really beat it, man. Damn. Wow. That is a good price. Why the hell wasn't this on the... I look every day for Flex Tools discounts, and it wasn't in mine. When I did my filter, did they not know what they're doing with the filters here? Let me see. Flex Tools. Flex. They must have just added this. Where? On sale. Yeah, they just added that. I looked last night and that wasn't there. I already have the drills and stuff, but damn. That's get you in the door prices there. No, I see it online at mine now. Well, the store near me, I should say. They just added it last night. I was up till about 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock looking at stuff, getting my list ready for today, and there was nothing from Flex. Wanted some of their freaking nailers to line up. Nope. Hey, those are good deals there, Soils. Devs, 125 break. Ryobi has the best flashlight in the world. Which ones are we talking about here, bud? So, as you know, I've ordered almost all my parts. I've ordered all but my AIO, which I'm about to do, in my case fans. Here's my problem. I'm about to spend $800 on case fans. Is that what I'm about to do here? The case I have can hold 13 fans. Of course, I need to fill that up with the best fan possible out there. Is it though, rambling? I say best fan. It's certainly not the best fan. The best fan that Corsair makes because I want to use the IQ system. And for OnlyFans, oh my gosh. Yeah, actually not getting the ones because they're RGB. I'm getting them because they're the best ones that Corsair makes. And of course, Corsair, you're paying for the damn name on them. Louder than it needs to be? No. With that many fans, I can run them lower, my man. Noctua best. These are pretty damn good, but it's the RX 120 maxes. If freaking Noctua would make an RGB fan, I'd be all for it, but they don't. They refuse to want to make money. Do you want to make it sound like a Gen Engine in your place? Well, you know. Noctua, that's freaking good. That's freaking good. It's cringy. And now I gotta think here. I gotta get the 420. Wait, no. No, I don't. No, I don't. That's a 480. What are you sending me? What the hell is that? That is horrific. Oh, that I didn't even see what the picture was until I kind of stood back a little bit. What's up, Jason? But yeah, just get knocked to play someone on your. No, they don't have RGB. I refuse. Now, when it didn't matter, like in my small form factor PC that I have, which I want to. So right now I have my small form factor PC, which is meant to be a mobile station. It's currently permanently camped out at the lake house. I don't want it to be permanently there. So I need to build a computer for the lake house because I foresee myself spending a lot of time there this summer. So I don't want no. We're gonna have to build out the lake house PC. But anyway, in my small form factor PC, I do have the Noctua. They're really tiny in there, but it does a good job. HUBC, watch this one. Debt reduction by 70%. Lian Lee. I don't really like the RGB. I am trading performance for aesthetics. Don't get me wrong, but the computer case I'm going with, the Thermaltake Tower 600, I have to make it look nice. It's got to look nice. So anyway, these Corsair fans are stupid. What's in their Black Friday shop? What platform? This is eTrade Pro. Save 15% site wide. Wait, what? Okay. Okay. Shit. Why so many screens? What are you looking for? A setup? I use TraceStation, so why so many screens? Well, first off, how do you know how many screens I got? I'm just messing with you. Everybody's got the right amount that works for them. For me, it's a screen of charts so I can constantly watch multiple stocks, and then my main trading screen, which this is part of. I have four ultra wide. Yeah, four ultra wides. And I've had these suckers for going on 3 years now, and I just realized that the damn thing had an overdrive. They called it overdrive, but they didn't tell you what overdrive was. And I never turned it on. Come to find out, overdrive is making your monitor go from 144 hertz to 180 hertz. It's like, why don't you just label it as 180 hertz? So I've been missing out on 40 frames. I was looking to buy a new monitor for Black Friday. I wanted one of the QD OLED 240 hertz, but I'm like, none of them came in 1800R except one, which Corsair made. And guess what? They made it a white aesthetic. So it was like, great. I'm going to have everything like blacked out with RGB. And then this one monitor that's going to be white. Couldn't do it. Alienware 500 hertz. Yeah, I don't need no 21-inch screen. Paint it black. No, thank you. That just voids the warranty if it goes poof. Should have gone with an all-white build. Nah, man. I don't know why people do that. All the white components are not the same white. Like, it's like 50 shades of white. Basic 528. I can't wait to read your stock trading fanfic 50 Shades of White. Oh, gosh, man. What 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 monitor? The Corsair one? It's the 34-inch ultra wide. I'm wanting an ultra wide, not 4K. Let's just say there will be a lot of trades and a lot of oil of feet romance. And Grandma's Peaches, don't leave her out. What a year. Jeez. Watch this PRZO 5-minute. It's got something. Buh, 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 buh. What a day, what a day, what a day. Hmm. All right, let's just say. All right, 5-minute break. Be back for the open. There's a PRZO break. B-Sig rated to green. That was a nice PRZO move. Jeez. Nice work, got Bitcoin. What was that chart that I saw earlier this morning? I was like, oh, that daily could go. Oh, DXYZ. Hmm. What's this? Oh my gosh. Did you see this banana that sold for $6 million? Was it at Sotheby's? It was a banana taped to a wall. Sold for $6 million, right? I didn't realize that Justin's son was the one that bought it. And apparently this is him eating his $6 million banana. I have yet to watch it. Here we go. I want the full experience of when a freaking 50-cent banana, the most overpriced piece of shit in the world. Here we go.
这一根全球最贵的香蕉，不仅仅是一象征性的行为，与此同时更是对当代艺术和文化创新的致敬。今天的现场，我们也非常荣幸。
Shut up, Chuck. I want the full experience here. Okay? Just shut up for a second.
能够与各位嘉宾和媒体朋友们共同见证这个充满创意与象征意义的美好瞬间。
This dude knew he was going to win this auction. He's even got the damn pin or whatever this is, embroiderment on his jacket. If this isn't the biggest crypto flex in the history of flexes, I gotta watch
这一根全球最贵的香蕉，不仅仅是一象征性的行为，与此同时更是对当代艺术和文化创新的致敬。今天的现场，我们也非常荣幸能够与各位嘉宾和媒体朋友们共同见证这个充满创意与象征意义的美好瞬间。
Oh my gosh. Retape the field to the wall and resell it. Oh my gosh, dude. He's got about Warren Buffett meeting. He didn't even show up. Did he really? I didn't know that. Oh man, wasn't he on the run from China for like a long time? Weren't they out to get him? Holy jeez, man. That's just absolutely crazy. Oh boy. Oh, I'm thinking of CZ. Yeah. What an animal. Watch this VSEG cuck and go potential in 1 minute. This cucked and really didn't do anything after this failed move up, so up over 530 might get it going again. You got a level, some that it's playing with. I would definitely. So I'm probably not going to take another trade today. I haven't had very many milestones in recent accounts. This is one of them, getting the account back to 100K. Even though we all know I'm about to dip underneath it for like 7 months in the 100K. The 100K curse this morning was real. If you weren't here watching it, I got up within $20 3 separate times only to lose $600 trying to make 20. So the 100K curse is the real deal. And I'm going to enjoy it. And they can't take it away from me unless I trade. He trades like, hold my beer. Hold my beer. But I'll hang around here. I got some Black Friday shopping. I'm going to call out some stuff that I see. I'm going to put Benzinga on for you guys that are, muted it on accident. All right, turn it off. I'll put Benzinga on. I'm going to put trade exchange on their squawk so you guys can hear that. If you're interested in, the Black Friday deals are still live. Exclamation point Black Friday brings up the list of all the Black Friday deals. There they are.
Smiley
70.
face.
Let's go Lake City. 7 months. You got 70% off, and in order for these to work, click the link, please, and use the coupon code if there is a coupon code. TradingView doesn't have a coupon code. You just click the link, 70% off. That ends today, so take advantage of that. I just 5 minutes ago re-upped mine. Trade Exchange, Black Friday sale. I think there's your VSIG break. I think ends next week, but don't quote me on that. $350 plus 2 months free for an annual subscription. There is you click the link and you use the coupon code that's there. All caps, SJ Black Friday. That comes out to be $25 a month. Incredible value there. And then you've obviously got 60% off Benzinga Pro. Highly recommend all of these. Xmond, welcome, my man. First time subbing. Sorry, I didn't know there was a TV thing I read this morning. Oh, chicka bow wow. Oh, chicka bow wow. Menther Q. Oh, yeah. Speaking of, I got to do that for Salt Life. Let me pull that up real quick. Menther Q, sometime next week, we're going to get him on. He's got new products and coupon codes for Cyber Monday week. We were supposed to do it Thursday. We planned that a long time ago. I didn't realize it was Thanksgiving, so we had to reschedule. Real quick, Bitcoin coming up to pretty big diagonal here on the 4 hour. It's only a 2-pointer, 1-2. So we'll see what that happens. You are extended on the Stokes, so we probably do pull back, which would be fine because I would love a pullback. Let the momentum indicators get a squeeze going though. That doesn't usually just give you 2 bars. We'll see. We'll see. I also beat. Yep, I sure did. Thank goodness. I didn't think that was going to happen, but wait at it. Wait at it. Let me get the Menther Q level for the SPY for Salt Life. He was asking about that. SPY. Put that on there. Bada bling, bada boom. And there we go. Damn. Levels are all over the place there, Salt. I'll put it in the trading channel. Discord. Or on the trading floor, I mean. Did Menther Q build an app for real-time intraday game exposure? Last time I tried, it was static. It is static still. It is very much static. You know, real time would probably cost a lot more. So I think they're building that out though, if I'm not mistaken. Last time we had them on, they were talking about that. For me, the way I use it, and this is not how most people use it, but you know, it's just the min and max levels for me. Sometimes the put support and call resistance or whatever, vice versa. None of the GEX levels I really pay attention to. They do line up. I mean, you can kind of see them. But the main ones I like to play off of are these guys. The min and max day moves. PRZO, yeah, you got a 5-minute there. Not the greatest setup for the 5-minute, but it's in the right direction now. UMAC right back to the highs. Watch that for a breakout. Maybe break a 15. You've got this 17. Did I already break this? I don't like this scales. Hang on. Okay, so it did break it. So, not the craziest looking, not the best looking chart. It'd be tough to be trying to play this unless we had a failed break to the downside. Thank you, Laser. Like, you can maybe try to buy the 90 EMA or something.
No, I took a Joby JOBY share seeing continued heavy activity at the open new highs for Joby.
That was Beta Chuck.
Also, Archer Aviation shares seeing continued heavy activity, new highs. Alpha Charlie Hotel Romeo.
IONQ, that was a trader. IONQ. You don't know why it's up today? This is just technical stuff. I don't think they have any news, but I mean, they've been on a roll. I don't know why, but bounced off the 90 EMA, continued the move. This is a very juicy looking daily chart, so not surprised that it's moving. You're up near all-time highs. So do you get resistance there? Does it break through? I don't know. We'll see. UMAC broke high day. See if we can hold the previous high, 15.15. It's trying to. All right, go for it. Give it the juice. Give it the juice. And the bid's not really catching up. Garazio went. Yep, high day. Watch that break. Surprised Dev isn't moving today. Man, that daily chart was nice. What's up, Fox? Joshua J. Fox. I wasn't worried about something like this happening. All right, PRZO. PUBT. QMCO. Xena. Nope. IMG. Nope. XCur. UAVS. Daily Cock. UAVS. Lightish volume, but that's something. BC. PTCS.
QMCO share is moving a bit here at high of the day now, $18.98.
Oh, that was nice. I didn't see that when I was
Oscar.
clicking on it. Cuck and go right there for a high day break. That was beautiful. This is ideal. So if you're looking for like a breakout, you know, ideally you get a failed move in the other opposite direction right before. That just kind of gives you more confidence that the trade will work. So Here, you break down, you come right back up. So this is like a failed move. Did you break this level too? No, you didn't. Okay. So if you get a failed move in the opposite direction you're trying to trade right before you take the position, it just gives you more confidence that the trade will work. That's what we call the cuck and go. The candle under candle and go. Bitcoin now over 98. Futures at 99.5. Lunch bag 38, 39 months. Let's go, buddy. Johnny, I probably am. I don't get too many milestone days. And this is one. Getting the account back to 100K. Even though, like I said, we know very well that my next trade is going to tank it well below this. We just know that's going to happen. But I'm going to enjoy, for the time being, this being at 100K. I'm still making call outs here, giving you guys some trade ideas. I've missed a ton this morning. I could have made a lot more money if I kept going, but like I said, I don't get too many milestones that really do anything for me. This is one, as it's not even that big of a deal. Like, I've had the account over 100K many a time in my trading career, but after last year, which was the hardest trading year I've ever had, profitable trading year.
APVO, Optivo announced a 1 for 37 reverse stock split. Alpha Papa Victor.
After
Oscar.
that, that's normal, Chuck. That's the normal squawk service with Benzinga. To finally, start the year with like 29K in the account or whatever it was, 30K, to finally get it up over 100K. It's just a milestone, and it feels really good. Feels better, honestly, than it did when I made over $1 million in 2021. It's like the relief feeling, Yeah, I've cashed out. I've pulled out probably 20 or 30,000 of this. Take 25K and throw it into. Good for now. SC. What is that? SCHD. It's just like a S&P 500 Schwab account thing. It was a fluke. You did this on skill and determination. Yeah, wasn't a fluke. I appreciate that. It's been a heck of a month. That's for sure. This month, I think, is my best month of the year. And the thing, it's the year that's why I was able to do it. There's a lot of volatility, and I do well in my type of trading does well in that kind of situation. Any election year, I'm probably going to do well in. Well, what did we do this month? Let's see. Yeah, $27,000 a month, which I think beat my October. Huh? Oh yeah, that was Helene. I forgot. It was August. That was good, or September. It's like, huh? No, I only made 2,000 and no. What in the world? Was it August that it was really good? Yeah, August. Okay, $23,000 August. So this is my best month of the year. Might as well just keep going. July, I think I barely broke a profit, if I'm not mistaken. No, that was 5. It was June, I think. One of these I made like $100. It was barely green. No. Hey. 3,000. Jeez. Most of this year was a grind, except 2 months. Goodness gracious, $5,000. $3,000. $7. That was January. 6. Okay. If you look at the performance, this is not today. Today's not included in this, but you're up 430% on the year compared to the S&P's measly 25%. What month was it? May. 0.6% May. I thought it was May. Oh, BTT. Wow. I can't believe this was 15-cent stock. What month did Roaring Kitty come back? I can't remember. I wish these miners were better traders, but they are just pretty much garbage besides swing trading them. Is there a risk to gain? No. Day traders don't look at risk to reward, because we look at time as the probably the biggest element. Sheeb. It's probably close to hundreds of millions how much I've been in and out of the stock market. So no, we don't look at that. It's not a factor that we care about. We'll use $100,000 to make $100 if it seems like that $100 is, an 80% chance of winning. It doesn't matter.
I took a DJT Delta Juliet Tango share seeing a spike in activity, new highs. DJT.
The swing traders will use risk reward. Maybe it makes more sense. But the thing that they just disregard is time exposure. Like, okay, you have a risk reward ratio, fine, but you also
DJ
are
T
exposed
Trump Media
so
Share
much
is getting a
longer.
pop here.
I'm
Delta
cash,
Juliet
man.
Tango
That means something to me.
up about
So
2.5%
there's
for DJT.
there's pros and cons for sure. Different ways to trade. There's no one right way. But as far as risk to reward ratio, it's not like that at all for day trading. You don't look at that. You just use your snowball of money to make your snowball bigger. That's all that matters. Now, is there a little, can you use risk reward? Sure, you can, but it's not something that most care about. Like I said, there's no right way to trade, wrong way to trade. As long as you're making money, who the hell cares? PRZO, it's pulled back, but I don't think it's done. You know, today's a short day, so once you get green, it's like get green and go enjoy your freaking day. Volume at some point is going to die off. It's doing decent right now. You can get some crazy shit going on these half days though. UMAC down. Real quiet out there. Yeah, UMAC was a pretty tough trader on Friday. DJT has a 1 minute, if this is correct.
DPRO getting a pop here on light volume.
Miners
Up
are
about
ripping. Bitcoin
28%.
miners, HUT,
Dragonfly,
Mara, Riot,
DPRO.
CLSK. Tends to be a sign. Not seeing much just yet. Yeah, there's nothing that's too crazy just yet. SOS is maybe interesting. I don't know. It's
Come on.
Grats on 100K.
Thank you, Zybos. 36 months, bud. 3 years. Let's go. Get that 3-year badge looking hot. Looking hot. LUNR, jeez.
Bitcoin futures now off the highs at trading over 100,000, 100,165 now, up about 2.25%.
Bitcoin
today.
futures are juicing, boys. Futures are up over 100K. Chuck just called it out. Oh, you can hear Chuck. Oh, belly. Oh, belly. Spot needs to catch up. Make it official. Spot needs to make it official.
AIEV, Thunder Power Holdings, halted on a circuit breaker at the high, up now about 186%. That's Alpha India Echo Victor.
We're stuck at 98.6 right now. It's looking like it wants it today, though. Hey, Bitcoin, I beat you, bitch. I beat you. If you want to know what 100K looks like, Bitcoin, just come over to my channel. All right? We'll keep that on watch. Nice work, Big. Can you be Bitcoin to 1 million? Probably not. Who knows? We'll see. That's a marathon, though. That's not no sprint. This was the sprint. You know, I'm full of fast twitch muscle fibers. You know, I'm not built for the marathon. You know what I mean? Will your 100K also help ignite NFTs again? And will there be bored gorillas finally stop being bored? Bored apes. Freaking dope. Just some respect. NFTs. I think the NFT gang, I mean, it might move again if things get really stupid, but no one's really looking for NFTs this round.
Now, ticker Tesla shares seeing continued heavier activity, new highs on Tesla.
That was just the perfect storm, right? NFTs was the perfect storm. It was the internet community when we needed it. When everyone was stuck at home and was looking for a sense of companionship and community, NFTs gave you that because we were stuck inside, right? The only thing we had was a virtual world to live in where we didn't feel contained and outside forces influencing us. So NFTs gave you that, and we don't need that anymore as much, right? So I think it's going to be a hot minute for NFTs. I think the ones that have been around for a while will have their ups and downs for sure, but I don't think you're going to see a new project break out. Well, even now influencers are trying to influence them, but they don't do anything. I really just think it was that need for community that people had, and NFTs gave you that. I mean, think about it. Our outside world was locked out from us, and the only world that we could live in, quote unquote, live and enjoy things was a virtual world. It was the perfect storm. Dumbest show is land in VR games. Yeah, that was tough, especially when they can just make more land, right? It made sense if there was only a limited amount, but all of them, like even Sandbox, they just keep creating more spots, keep creating more spots. So it just inflates everything. Or, yeah. Dilutes everything. That's what the word I'm looking for. VR, the tech just isn't there yet for home use. I think VR's got a future for sure. Especially the way AI is going. But the tech just isn't there yet. You have a room for it? Yeah. I think VR's got a big ceiling, high ceiling to it, but it's just not there yet. It's just not there just yet. Be able to view sports games from RefView and VR. That'd be cool. Be able to have a seat at the line of scrimmage on every play. Zoomed out and above the field just a little bit. Able to chase the ball carrier with your whatever joystick, whatever you're using. It'll come. The tech's just got to catch up with the idea. I just wanted some Optimus robots. I'll dress them like girls in the Palmer video. You may see, you might get something. That 5-minute cut kind of failed, so maybe a VOAP breakage or something. Early entry, 1350, maybe. You do have a squeeze forming on it. You want to see that Momo shift. DPRO popping up in a big way.
DPRO now share is spiking here. Delta Papa Romeo Oscar DPRO.
What the hell is this thing?
$4.35. Volume increasing.
This is kind of a big deal, boys. DPRO. I'm not sure what they must have done a reverse split. I don't know what happened here. This is definitely post reverse split, but you're over $4 is a gap level. $3.80 to $4. It's a dim. See if this can hold up anything. Morning Stag, good to see you picking up where you left. Thursday went well. Unfortunately, I lost my streak. We build again, though, so I can prove my worth to you as a 0 points there. Zach, glad to see that you're doing good. Hopefully, they get it right this time. A reminder for everyone, take advantage of these Black Friday deals. Exclamation point Black Friday in chat. Brings you the list. We've got TradingView, 70% off. That ends today. Take advantage of that one. Click the link, 70% off. Hit it. You've got Trade Exchange, $350 for 14 months. That comes out to $25 a month. Click the link, use the coupon code SJ Black Friday. That, I believe, I can look. Let me see when that ends. I think it ends next week. I can't remember what we said. I want to say it goes through next week, but I don't have that in email, so I don't remember. Oh, expires the 8th. So yeah, it'll go through next week. There it is. Thank you, Burning. Ask for advice on my paper trade. Sure, Kenny. As always, you can always send me a DM in Discord with, your chart. and I can go over your trade or put it in Discord and in any of the channels. But yeah, I can look at whatever you want right now. I'm not gonna take in another trade, so I'll pull it up. What do you got, Kenny? Broke 19 million on your paper account. Jeez. Where would I post it? In general chat. Your next paper trading account. What am I looking at here? 19 million. Jeez. What'd you start with? 100K. Oh my gosh. If only we could trade like that for real. If they offer you lifetime, yeah, it's totally worth. But I think you can get it cheaper than 2,500 if you've been subbed for a while. Check out those links, boys and girls. I cannot stress enough how good of resources they are if you're a day trader. G or KLTO ripping. You don't see the difference between Trade Exchange and Benzinga Squawk? I would say they're very different. Timing is what matters the most. They hit at different times. It's just good to have a bigger blanket, right? Like we saw on Friday that Trade Exchange hit that pot news and the chucks were slower to it. And a lot of times it's the other way around. So it's good to have a bigger team of news people. Like I said, if I ever found another news source that was just as fast as those two, I'd add it. I'd pay for it. I don't care. When you play breaking news, seconds matter. Absolutely matter. Which is better? Honestly, Beta is amazing. I haven't used the Squawk for Trade Exchange in forever. It used to be slower than their print, like a lot slower. But I turned it on Friday for the first time in years, and it made me $1,000. So I was like, well, maybe I should turn this on more often. Silo with the rip. Bloomberg terminal costs $30,000 a year to get everything first. They don't have a Squawk service, from what I understand. But yeah, they're obviously going to be pretty fast. I don't know how Bloomberg works, so I can't speak of Bloomberg. But a lot of the, the Chucks, Trade Exchange, they have a... Bloomberg's probably one of the things they'll look at, but they also look at social media posts and everything like that. So they're looking at a lot of things. Yeah, Bloomberg. Yeah, I think Bloomberg is $30,000 a year, and that's the base. And then you pay for like every little bits and pieces that you want. It's not just like one size fits all. You like get nickel and dime to death. It's for the big boys. It's for the big boys. They have an AI engine. Yes, they do. And it's a scary good one. This lunar is awesome today, man. UMAC. Got a 14 level. Cuck and go, right? No, it didn't. Okay. So, what am I looking at here, Kenny? So the way you need to take a screenshot, not of your, like, this doesn't tell me anything. This just tells me your current price and your calls that you bought. You need to put it on a chart. So you need to go like, say this is your chart. You need to, bought here, whatever. Make it a little easier for me to, why won't it let me move it? Okay, whatever. Bought here, or, put a freaking arrow. I don't care what you do. Something like that. Or like that. Just signifying that's your entry. So I can look at the chart. Looking at just your portfolio doesn't help me. I need to know what the chart looked like. So if you're on a Windows, there's the snippet tool, or you can just push print screen and copy pasta that into Discord. And then just give me some context what you were looking at. The call option on Archer. Let's take a look. ACHR. Okay, ACHR. They're juicing pretty good, and they're probably riding on the back of Joby. I mean, you're parabolic, man. Like, that tends to $10 is a pretty big level. If I was in your shoes, I would probably put you up like a shit ton on that. At the very least, I would be taking out the price of those options on these. Like, cash it in. Like, what are we trying to? Are we not? I don't know. If it was me, I'm probably taking it all off, taking the profit, go stack somewhere else. I can't get financial advice for what you to do, but damn, you hit a home run. And it's hard to hit home runs.
I took a Meta META shares are seeing continued activity, new highs for Meta. Note pre-market note Zuckerberg had met with Trump at Mar-a-Lago. Then in a pre-market note.
That was baited, Chuck. They're 48%. That's a good one. Options is a tough game, dude. If you're learning, I would not recommend it because it is a game that is meant for you to lose. It is very difficult to win in options. Kenny, my man, welcome aboard.
Trading digits like an oracle. I'm the stock jock sipping tea with the lead cold like
We're calling it there, boys and girls. $2,000 day. I know it's not going to show it up here, but we got the count up over 100K. Today's a half day, so get green, go home. Volume's gonna dry up at some point. C-Mac, let's go. 15 months. I see you, homie. Milestone day for me. I don't get too many of those that get me excited anymore. So I'm gonna take this one and enjoy the weekend. And then on Monday we can play around and get back under $100,000 because that's the kind of dog I am. No, I am not enjoying the leftovers. Let me tell you this, and I wish Cheese was here. The turkey sucked. It sucked. I saw it. I put the fork in it when you're, getting your plate. Dry as shit. I was like, not interested. I don't want it. I don't want it. So I ate this much and all the other fixins. It was garbage. Anyway, we're going to go raid Pizza G. Say hey to her. I'm going to go Black Friday shopping. Good day. Peace out, everybody. See you Monday.
Their algorithms spinning like webs in the night, but I'm the spider.